Welcome to the Vivalumix LED light therapy training session. In this video, we will walk you through the anti-aging protocol using red light therapy. This treatment stimulates collagen production, reduces fine lines, and enhances skin elasticity. Let's get started. Before beginning any LED treatment, it's important to follow these general guidelines. Ensure the skin is completely clean. Remove any makeup, lotions, or serums that may block LED penetration. The recommended session time is 20 to 30 minutes, depending on client sensitivity. For best results, schedule 2 to 3 sessions per week over 4 to 6 weeks. Always provide the client with protective goggles to shield their eyes from LED exposure. Anti-aging protocol. Step 1. Skin analysis. Start with a thorough skin analysis. Identify areas of concern, such as fine lines, wrinkles, or loss of elasticity. Step 2. Cleansing the skin. Next, cleanse the skin with a gentle, non-irritating cleanser. This removes any dirt, oil, or makeup, ensuring optimal light penetration. Once the skin is clean, provide the client with protective goggles to ensure eye safety during the LED therapy session. Step 3. Treatment application. Position the device evenly over the treatment area, ensuring full coverage. Keep the light at a comfortable distance from the skin. The recommended treatment time is 20 to 30 minutes. Encourage your client to relax during the session. Step 4. Selecting the red light mode. Select the anti-aging mode with red light, 630 nanometers. Set the intensity to a medium or high level, based on the client's skin sensitivity. Step 5. Post-treatment care. After the session, apply a hyaluronic acid-based serum to enhance hydration and lock in moisture. Remind your client to use SPF daily, 30+, to protect their skin and continue a hydrating skincare routine for long-lasting results. Post-treatment recommendations. For the best results, always recommend the following post-treatment care. Use SPF 30+ daily to protect the skin from UV exposure. Keep the skin hydrated with serums and moisturizers. Encourage clients to complete the full treatment course to achieve visible improvements in skin elasticity and texture. Device maintenance. Proper maintenance ensures your Vivalumix device stays in optimal condition for every session. Clean the LED panel after each session using a soft, damp cloth. Store the device in a cool, dry place when not in use. Regularly check for updates in treatment protocols or additional training materials from Zemits to stay up to date with the latest recommendations. That completes our anti-aging LED light therapy protocol. Remember, consistency is key. 2 to 3 sessions per week for 4 to 6 weeks will help achieve the best results. If you have any questions or want to learn more about advanced protocols, check out our official Zemits training materials. Thank you for watching and happy treating with Vivalumix.